Sult. Jellied veal. A main dish from Estonia. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. In a heavy 4 to 6 quart casserole, combine the veal, pig's knuckles, onion, carrot, and water and bring to a boil over high heat, meanwhile skimming the foam and scum from the surface as they rise to the top. Step 2. Then add the whole peppercorns and bay spatula, leaves. Transfer the veal and pig's knuckles partially covered for about 3
Strain
hours,
the cooking stock
until the veal is tender enough to be
easily
set over a
pierced
large
with a
fork,
fork.
and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then with a large
Step
spoon,
3.
skim off and
When the
discard
veal
the
and pig's
entire
knuckles
surface
are cool
fat.
enough to handle,
Pour the stock
trim
into a
off the
small
fat
pan
with a
and
small
boil it
knife
briskly,
and cut the meat away
uncovered,
from the bones.
until it is cooked down to 4
Discard
cups.
the bones
and cut the meat into 1/4 inch wide shreds. Step 4. Arrange the carrot slices in concentric circles in the bottom of a 2-quart charlotte or a similar mold at least 3 inches deep. A teaspoon at a time, sprinkle the carrots evenly with the stock, and continue adding
Step
the stock
5.
by teaspoons
By
until
this
the
time, the
carrots are
remaining
half
stock should
submerged
be
but
cool.
not floating in the liquid.
Stir in the meat,
Carefully
salt and
place the
garlic
mold
and
in the
taste for
refrigerator
seasoning.
without dislodging
Then pour
the
the
design
entire
and chill
mixture
for at
into
least
the
1
chilled
hour,
mold.
or until the stock has
Refrigerate for
firmly
at
gelled.
least
4 hours,
Step
or until the
6.
stock is firm.
To
remove from its mold, run a knife around the inside edges of the jellied veal. Dip the bottom of the mold briefly in hot water, then invert a flat serving dish on top. Holding the mold and plate firmly together,
CountryReports.
turn them
Culture,
over.
countries,
The jellied veal
travel.
should slide out easily.